Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup with a soup packet. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need the soup packet, a suitable pot, and the correct amount of water. Always check the packet instructions for precise water measurements, as these can vary. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once your water is measured, pour it into your pot and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. This ensures the soup cooks evenly and quickly. Carefully open your soup packet and pour its entire contents into the boiling water. Stir immediately to prevent lumps and ensure all ingredients are well combined. After adding the soup mix, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Continue to stir the soup frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or as directed on the packet. This constant stirring helps to dissolve all the ingredients and prevent sticking. Cook until the soup reaches your desired consistency, whether you prefer it thinner or thicker. Your delicious packet soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls. For an extra touch, consider adding some fresh herbs, a swirl of cream, or crunchy croutons. Serve it immediately while it's warm and comforting. This quick and easy meal is perfect for any time you need a satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.